Alright, good morning from Okinawa. Today I want to share this beautiful sunrise with you. It's around 22 degrees this morning, and honestly, it feels a little chilly right now. But later today, the temperature should go up to around 26. It's still the rainy season here in Okinawa, but morning like this with beautiful sunrise feels so relaxing and beautiful, peaceful. But be careful, rain is expected after around 1 p.m. So if you are planning to enjoy Okinawa, um, like Okinawa's nature side, like the beach or hiking, I recommended it recommended doing it in in the morning, like no afternoon. So then it's the afternoon. Maybe just relax and enjoy slower, rainy Okinawa day, like day before yesterday. Yep. So anyway, if you have any questions about traveling in Okinawa, feel free to ask me in the comments anytime. So hope you all have a wonderful Okinawa trip day. See you again. Bye bye. Beautiful sunrise.